What if I told you that the difference between a good restaurant and a multi-location empire comes down to just 3 key strategies? The game is changing for 2025, and right now the most successful restaurant owners aren't just working harder, they're working smarter. In this video, we're going to break down the 3 best marketing strategies for the year ahead. You are about to see how top restaurant owners are using intelligent automation and AI to grow sales by over $350,000 per location. These aren't theories. These are proven tactics we've tested across thousands of restaurants worldwide. We've seen firsthand how these systems create a massive difference, turning good businesses into local legends. We've watched single locations grow into 15 location successes over just 3 years by following these exact steps. We have permission from real restaurants to share their numbers and strategies. So let's get started with number 1. Turn first-time visitors into loyal fans. Think about this. A new customer comes in, has a great meal, pays, and walks out the door. The single biggest mistake most restaurants make is letting them leave without creating a connection. You're essentially hoping they remember you next time. Hope is not a strategy. The winning strategy for 2025 is to capture that customer's loyalty on their very first visit. Here's how the top restaurants do it. They use AI-powered smart offers. On every table, there's a simple QR code that says something like, "Join our VIP club for a free gift on your next visit." The customer scans it, enters their contact info, and instantly joins your customer list. This is where the AI comes in. The system doesn't just collect an email, it uses intelligent automation. It knows that the most effective way to guarantee a second visit is with a high-value welcome offer. Not a weak 10% discount, but something truly irresistible, like a free appetizer or a signature dessert. The system automatically delivers this proven, high-converting offer. You do the work once to set it up, and from that moment on, every new customer is automatically incentivized to return. You've just turned a one-time visitor into a guaranteed second visit, breaking the cycle of one-and-done customers forever. Automate your sales machine. Are you tired of the marketing roller coaster? You post on social media, get a small rush, and then crickets. You're back to manually trying to drive traffic. The most profitable restaurants don't live like that. They build an automated sales machine that runs in the background, 24/7, delivering predictable revenue. Imagine setting up a series of powerful campaigns just one time and letting the system do the work for you forever. It's a customer's birthday. They automatically receive a special gift from you a week in advance, bringing them, their friends, and their family in to celebrate at your restaurant a customer hasn't visited in 60 days. The system notices this and automatically sends a friendly "we miss you" message with a compelling reason to come back, preventing you from losing that customer to a competitor. A major holiday like Valentine's Day or Mother's Day is coming up. The system can send out pre-built, beautifully designed campaigns to your entire list, helping you book out your tables weeks in advance. This isn't just marketing, it's smart business. It transforms your marketing from a constant, time-consuming chore into a powerful, automated asset that drives sales while you focus on running your restaurant. Unlock your loyal customers. Let me ask you a critical question. Of the hundreds of customers who ate at your restaurant last month, how many of them can you contact right now with a special offer? If the answer is very few or none, you're sitting on an untapped goldmine. Your most valuable asset is your customer list. The third and most crucial strategy is to build, own, and communicate with your database of loyal fans. This gives you a direct line to the people who already know and love your food. A powerful marketing system makes this effortless. Through the VIP Club QR codes we mentioned, digital loyalty cards, or a guest Wi-Fi login, you build your customer list automatically. Now, instead of paying Facebook or Google to maybe reach potential customers, you can speak to your proven customers directly for pennies on the dollar anytime you want. Is Tuesday night looking slow? At noon, send a 2-for-1 Tuesday flash deal to your VIP list and watch the tables fill up by dinner time. Are you launching a new menu item? Announce it to your biggest fans first to create instant excitement and get valuable feedback. You need to generate a quick cash injection? Create a digital gift card offer. Buy a $50 gift card and get a $10 bonus and send it to your list. We've seen restaurants generate thousands of dollars in a single afternoon with this exact play. This is how you take back control of your business and create revenue on demand. So, you capture new customers with smart offers, you build build an automated sales machine, and you unlock the power of your loyal customer base. I've shown you the what and the why. Now it's time to give you the how. The tool that makes all of this possible, the engine behind that $350,000 in growth we talked about, is called Movylo. Everything I've described today, the AI-powered smart offers, the automated sales campaigns, and the all-in-one customer loyalty platform, is built into Movylo. It is the system designed specifically to make restaurant owners win. And now is the time to unlock this success for yourself. Visit movylo.com or click the link in the description below to get all the information you need. It costs you absolutely nothing to learn how it works. And I'll let you in on a secret. The value you will get from this platform will far exceed its price. And one more secret to get you started. You can give Movylo a try for 1 entire month completely for free. No risk, all reward. Stop guessing and start growing. Check out Movylo now.